We care about the water that we drink every day. Are you getting the quality water when you take a shower? Not only should you drink quality water, but you also deserve quality shower water. Aromatherapy, vitamin C water, chlorine-free water, negative ions, and skin protection. Aroma Sense Prestige Showerhead gives health and elasticity to the skin. The world's first developed Aroma Sense cartridge is the core technology of Aroma Sense Prestige. And using patented advanced technology, the gel cartridge is filled with the vitamin C equivalent of 3,000 lemons to promote healthier hair and skin. Let's start a luxurious shower with Aroma Sense Prestige. Aroma Sense cartridge helps vitamin C to be absorbed into the skin and removes residual chlorine at the same time. The water with residual chlorine can sometimes irritate the respiratory organs of children and cause asthma or rhinitis. It could also be the reasons of eczema, dermatitis, dry skin, itching, hair loss, and hair discoloration in adults. Aroma Sense Prestige Shower is the first shower to give elasticity and collagen to the skin and improve the condition of hair with this new concept premium luxury shower head, which is combined with Aroma Scent, vitamin C, and chlorine removal. Aroma Sense Prestige has a variety of scents, all derived from natural aroma oils, with a total of 9 refreshing scents to choose from. We offer lemon, lavender, jasmine, rose, eucalyptus, pine, phytoncide, lemon mango, and even a scent-free cartridge scent. Enjoy deep coolness and refreshing showers along with various Aroma Sense scents. Healing for your exhausted body and soul. Moreover, Aroma Sense Prestige emits negative ions during your shower. It is estimated that over 100,000 negative ions per cubic centimeter are diffused in the air at the Niagara Falls. Negative ions are expressed as the vitamin in the air because they are absorbed through breathing and can help to boost cell metabolism, improve energy, enhance fatigue recovery, and concentration. Aroma Sense's patented shower plate hole discharges 421,000 negative ions per cubic centimeter, which is 4 times more negative ions than Niagara Falls. You can enjoy a healing spa shower with a lot of negative ions. Aroma Sense's patented triangle spray plate hole optimizes your shower water pressure by giving a fog spray feeling, which does not sting, but a silk grain feeling increases in spite of strong water pressure. As a result, it finally cleans the residues left in the pores after makeup cleansing, and you will experience a more fresh feeling. Like this, Aroma Sense's smooth water stream gives a spa massage effect to the exhausted body and soul, and the experience of high-class silk therapy shower. Not only does the patented triangle plate hole increase your shower water pressure, but it also reduces water consumption. Look at the comparison between a regular shower head versus an Aroma Sense Prestige shower head. You can even use it to clean your bathroom and other household goods more efficiently. Use less water and energy and let it boost the water pressure. Aroma Sense Prestige also offers another filtration technology. It contains antibacterial ceramic beads, which has a multi-porous structure like a spider web. It restrains the propagation of harmful bacteria and emits far infrared rays to help to reinforce metabolism and cell activation. A microfabric filter removes the rust and contaminants from old pipes and water tanks. It enables you to take a shower with clean water and to protect your skin. The microfabric filter can be reused after cleaning, but it is recommended to be replaced every 2 to 3 months, depending on the quality of your shower water. Aroma Sense Prestige is a product manufactured according to the European ROHS official certification, European CE certificate, registration of Aroma Sense filter safety approved by the US FDA, and ISO 9001 quality management certification. We offer a quality product that meets global standard certifications, so you can enjoy a safer and healthier shower with Aroma Sense Prestige Showerhead. Aroma Sense Prestige is the flagship model among the Aroma Sense lineup and offers the most luxurious shower experience that you have never tried before. A showerhead that is the best in every way. Aromatherapy, vitamin C water, chlorine-free, antibacteria, negative ion shower, water saving. The best shower experience for your skin and hair with Aroma Sense Prestige.
샤워하면 향긋한 향기가 나는 게 굉장히 상쾌하더라고요. 기분 좋았어요. 저희 집 애들 샤워하는 거 되게 싫어했는데 향기가 난다고 굉장히 신기하더라고요. 혼자서도 잘해요, 이제. 살이 이 아로마 향 때문에 피로가 풀리는 느낌? 또 물줄기에 힘이 있는데도 질감이 부드럽고 고급진 느낌이 드는 샤워기예요.
온천 다녀오면 피부 달라지잖아요. 처음에 그런 느낌이었어요. 어디 호텔이나 목욕탕 같은 데 가면 좀 불편해요. 물 달라진 게 느껴지더라고요. 피부에 생기가 생기는 느낌이 들었어요.
수압이 약해서 사용할 때 불편했어요. 샤워기 문제가 아니라 집안의 구조적인 문제인데 설치해보고 좀 감탄했어요. 이 정도로 수압이 강해질 수 있구나 하는 생각이 들더라고요. 뭔가 물리적으로 굉장히 견고하게 만들어진 것 같아요. 수압이 강해졌는데도 물은 부드럽더라고요.
저희 집이 지은 지 좀 오래된 집이어서 물 때문에 걱정을 되게 많이 했거든요. 물에 남아있다는 잔류 염수가 특히 아이들의 아토피나 천식의 원인이 된다고 해서 혹시나 싶어서 검색을 했는데 아로마센스 제품들이 비타민C 필터가 있어서 잔류 염소를 제거해준다고 하더라고요. 다행이었어요. 애기랑 잘 쓰고 있고요. 안심이 되더라고요.